Are you experiencing frustrating freezes on the Roblox app for PC after the latest update? Don't worry, you're not alone. Let's walk through some effective steps to fix this issue. First, start by checking your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial for a smooth gaming experience. Ensure you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network, or consider switching to a wired connection for better stability. Next, try closing the Roblox app completely and then reopening it. Sometimes simply restarting the app can resolve temporary glitches that cause freezing. If that doesn't work, log out of your Roblox Desktop account and then log back in. This can refresh your session and help eliminate any minor issues affecting performance. Sometimes, a complete restart of your device can do wonders. Turn your computer off, wait for about 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. This process clears out any memory issues and ensures that all applications are running fresh. If you're still experiencing freezes, try connecting to a different network, or even using mobile data if you have that option. A different connection can help determine if your internet is the issue. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the problem, it's time to reach out to Roblox support. Their team is dedicated to helping you with technical issues and can provide solutions specific to your situation. By following these steps, you should be able to get back to enjoying your favorite games on Roblox without interruptions. Happy gaming!